10 best laptops you can buy in 2024, our top picks for August. August is an excellent time to buy laptops as it marks the end of the season in which the manufacturers often clear out old inventory to make room for new models. This means you can find discounts and deals on top-rated laptops like the Microsoft Surface Laptop 7, Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 5 Chromebook, and Apple MacBook Air 13-inch M3. Additionally, August is a great time to take advantage of summer sales and promotions. Many retailers offer discounts, free accessories, and bundle deals on laptops, making it an ideal time to purchase. With the latest Intel and AMD processors, ample storage, and impressive displays, these laptops are perfect for work, school, or personal use. Buying these laptops in August also ensures you to get the latest features and technologies such as improved battery life, faster charging, and enhanced security. With the new school year approaching, it's an excellent time to invest in a reliable laptop that will last for years to come. Be sure to check the pricing table for the best deals on these top-rated laptops. Here are the 10 laptops you can buy in 2024, our top picks for August. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 for $2,199, MacBook Air M3 for $1,499, Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 5 Chromebook for $279, Dell XPS 14 for $1,499, Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra for $3,949, Asus ZenBook 14X for $724, Razer Blade 15 for $2,326, Acer Swift for $1,102, and Google Pixel Go for $886.